start. Hello, my butterflies. Today I'm with y'all, and I'm gonna be cooking. I'm in the kitchen, and I got TookTre here. Gang, yeah. He just, what's that called? When you be in somebody's video. Oh yeah, it could be a cameo. But tonight I'm making pork steaks. I'm gonna be making some vegetables, and I'm gonna be making some mashed potatoes. So I got a big family, so I got my steaks over here. I don't know if they can see the steaks tray. I got my steaks. Got them on the cookie sheets or whatever. That's how I do mine. So first thing we got. I don't know if should I just introduce it more? That's good.
They what?
I know. That's my first one, Rico.
Introduce what?
My own stuff, but it's okay.
Or
the stuff. Now we're good. I'm just gonna go ahead and season the steaks. A remote. That's a remote. Yeah, I just started to cut off my own stuff now. I'm just gonna go ahead and season the steaks, and I just use a very simple seasoning. But I have a couple other things that I put on there. But I'm gonna be using seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and regular black powder. It's very simple. Also, what I use is because I'm gonna put them in the oven, so they're basically gonna be the oven baked. I use Worcester sauce. It's just a cheap one, and steak sauce. And I actually cook my steaks with the sauces on there. That's a secret. My kids don't know that, but now they listen to me do these videos on there now. Can you see if the light is good, Trey? Because something right here, like it's a glare. Is it from the overhead? Or is it dusty?
Like it's no. Let me see.
You see what I'm saying? It's like right over. It's like I asked you. No.
Y'all still recording?
Yeah, I don't care. Like you said, I'm still new to this. So yes, I'm still recording. That's all the seasonings that I'm using, and that was my son. That was him. He was just peeking inside of the screen. I just like to keep all the stuff, and then he actually listed his bloopers or not. He was cleaning the lenses off of it. I was trying to figure out why the focus was going in and out. But okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with the seasoning salt. Season each steak. Sometimes I'll be really heavy-handed with the seasoning salt. Yeah, but it'll be alright. If I get too heavy-handed with one thing, I go easy on the other thing. Like I won't put that much salt in the mashed potatoes because the steak is salty. Yeah, but anyway. Alright, we got the seasoning salt now. I'm going to put the pepper. Don't worry about my arms jiggling, it'll be alright. I'm going to tone those up in the next episode, I guess. So that's the pepper. I'm going to use the garlic powder, just regular old garlic powder. Trey has his own special. TookTre has his own special seasoning. So he kicks everybody out of the kitchen while he put his headphones, kick everybody out of the kitchen. His special recipes. They be delicious. This one is the onion powder, and I kind of go real heavy on the onion powder. We eat onions in this house. I love a lot of onions. So. Yeah. My breath don't stink, but I love onions. I need to open this up. And this one is just regular red pepper, cayenne pepper. I think Zetterman's is my favorite cayenne pepper. Don't ask me why, but it's good. Put the perfect hotness with it's just perfect. You already opened it for me?
Yeah.
Finish seasoning. And I actually seasoned both sides of the steak. They probably be too spicy, but I want some more too. Just a little bit. It'll be alright. And let me see if I gotta open one of these. Because if I open this, then I turn to my kids and they open several things at once, knowing it's already bottle open. But let's check and see if we got another one that's open before I start cursing the kids out and I do the one that opened it. And we do have one open. So put this on it. which is the Worcester sauce, and I'm really heavy-handed with Worcester sauce because I love it. I think everybody loves Worcester sauce in the house, so. Then I need to get a spoon because I just use the spoon to base off the the Virgo OCD chicken, and I got to rinse everything off. So yeah, that's that. But this is the steak sauce, and with the steak sauce, I don't know if y'all can see, but it'll be all right. What I do is I just sprinkle the steak sauce on the steaks first, very generously. Open that for me, Trey. Oh, that's one open. I know it's not. The other batch of them, and I do it very generously. And I take the back of a spoon and I just rub it in. Make sure. And while I'm rubbing it in, I'm also rubbing the seasonings in with it too. You just make sure you coat all the parts of the steak. What, Trey? Get my water ready so I can rinse my hands off. I can turn them over. Now we're going to turn these over and we're going to season the opposite side. Actually, I lied to y'all. Onions. I gotta put onions on that first. Yes, I put the onions on there on both sides. See how what I do. You can feel your heart flutter. Anyway, I put the onions on top. Put the onions on the top. Because I don't love some onions. Heavy on the onions. And now I turn it over. I try to turn it over so that the onions fall over so they'll be laid underneath the steak. And that's basically as a seasoning too. Flip it over, make sure the onions under the steak. So then you have both sides of the steak will be seasoned with the onion. Is it still recording, Trey?
Yeah.
Turn these over. Drag this one for you. Put some onions just underneath there. We turn that over. Yes, I'm making 6 steaks. I guess everybody gets their own steak. Sometimes me and my well, Trey don't get his own steak. He burns it and it turns to a tap steak. But he just like his very well done. Right, Trey?
Yeah.
And then me and Diego share a steak. But yes, 6 steaks. So wash my hands off. And it's time to season the other side of the steak. So go ahead, Trey.
Nothing.
Because you know how to edit stuff out. I should have put on my apron, but it'd be alright.
You can put it on. I think you can put it on.
You know what, y'all? I'm just trying to be too cute. Let me go get my apron because I don't want to get splattered all on. I'll be right back. I'm stupid.
I'm in the way.
Yeah, you actually in the way. Yes, put on my apron. And no, this apron is just not a any old apron. It's an appleberry apron and stuff. And I guess I could have put my hair up, but that's okay. I don't need no food and sanitation license. I don't want to hear that on. I'm not your local, what's that? The lady who be in the kitchen at school cooking, she had her hairnet on those plastic gloves. No, that's not. That's not the lunch lady. That's not the look that I'm going for right now. I'm trying to do, yeah, steak and mashed potatoes with this apron on. Yeah, that's fine. All right, back to seasoning the other side of these steaks. Again, we'll start with the seasoning salt. Pepper. It feels like that I'm missing a seasoning, but I guess it'll be alright. Again, this is not regular beef steak. This is pork steak. I'll go with the cayenne pepper again. Last night we ordered Subway for the family. I'm just telling the story. And I was telling my husband I wanted to do a mukbang. Isn't that what it's called? Mm-hmm. I had a whole foot-long sandwich. Everybody had their foot-longs or whatever. So it was our takeout night, which is usually Sunday we do takeout. Yes. Sunday's supposed to be Sunday is supposed to be a day that you have a whole macaroni and cheese and turkeys and all that, but no, that's I did a cheat code on that, y'all. That's takeout for Sundays. So, but anyway, I want to do a mukbang and record it. You know, we just chilling like Queen Naija and her dude. They did their little thing with their burgers and stuff. So I want to do a mukbang without foot long sandwiches. He talking about no, you can't do a mukbang. Everybody gonna see you eating your sandwich and think it's perverted or whatever he said. So that's okay. I would do a mukbang, but it's gonna be on something else. Candy. It's a bag of lollipops. I'm just kidding. No, not a bag of lollipops. I'm not gonna do a mukbang. But anyway, that was just funny because yeah. I guess he said it's gonna be dudes was gonna see it and they was gonna think something and some more stuff. But I guess when you do see that lady eating her those crabs, but she be just doing too much eating those crab legs. She just be sucking her fingers. She make it be pornography. She do. She turns it to a porno. Who asked her to do that?
We can do a mukbang on my channel.
Okay. We can do that. That sounds like a plan. That's okay.
Even if it's been, I think probably did it.
What?
When you told face? No.
Oh, fuck.
It's okay. I
forgot because I cleaned the deck off. I told you I did all this stuff. Then when I came in, I was tired because I don't be cleaning. I was outside. I started cleaning all down. It started leading to part sweeping the stairs. I went all the way on a whole other thing, Trey. And I made a promise. It's at 7 o'clock. I'm sorry.
No, Mama, it's okay.
I hate breaking promises.
No, Mama, it's okay. I know you was busy today.
I hate breaking promises. I'm putting an alarm on my phone for tomorrow. I'm putting an alarm. I got an alarm on my phone for everything. So to call the braces, the orthodontist tomorrow, there will be an alarm. So yeah, but we're gonna do that mukbang on.
Yeah, but I'm saying like even if stuff like that would be getting McDonald's and stuff.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm talking about. Like every Sunday we have. We do that and we buy a whole lot of food, and that's what I was thinking, and then too it could be like with these restaurants, all the restaurants that we order for every Sunday, we can say what they're really giving us. Because last night I think they threw my sandwich together. They put all the leftovers and just added it on to my sandwich. Yeah. I didn't ask for extra mayonnaise on there.
Oh, that's a turn off right there.
Yeah, they put extra. Did they put your bacon on your sandwich? No. They put the bacon on Kale's sandwich.